In this short video, I'm going to talk about apple cider vinegar for diabetes. I will explain why all diabetics, type 1 and type 2, and prediabetics, or anyone else with blood sugar issues or insulin resistance, should always consume apple cider vinegar. So what is apple cider vinegar? It's basically apple juice that is fermented. During this process, the sugar from the apples is turned into alcohol. And then there's the second fermentation process, as the sugar-turned alcohol is converted into vinegar. This process happens because of bacteria called acetobacter, which creates acetic acid. That is the key element in vinegar. It's the acetic acid that inhibits insulin. Acetic acid increases your insulin sensitivity. Type 1 diabetics don't produce enough of insulin, but it is still beneficial for them, as the acetic acid from apple cider vinegar makes their insulin more sensitive. And even type 1 diabetics often have insulin resistance. And most, if not all, type 2 diabetics have insulin resistance as well. It's a condition in which you have high amounts of blood glucose. The insulin is ineffective, and your body compensates by making more insulin. And the acetic acid from the vinegar will basically help the situation and help lower your blood glucose. There was a recent systematic review and meta-analysis looking at vinegar consumption on glycaemic control in adults with type 2 diabetes mellitus. The meta-analysis showed significantly better fasting blood glucose and HbA1c level. And then look at this study. The title says, "Vinegar improves insulin sensitivity to a high carbohydrate meal in subjects with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes." And they say that these data indicate that vinegar can significantly improve postprandial insulin sensitivity in insulin resistant subjects. And they also say vinegar may have similar physiological effects to those of ascorbose or metformin. So these both studies showed that apple cider vinegar is useful for prediabetics, diabetics, and anyone with blood sugar issues or insulin resistance. And I will leave the links to these studies in the description of this video. So how do you use apple cider vinegar for diabetes? Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 glass of water with lunch and dinner, and once before bed. And is any type of apple cider vinegar okay? Choose organic, raw apple cider vinegar. I will leave Amazon link in the description of this video, where you can go and order high-quality apple cider vinegar. How to make apple cider vinegar taste better? I know some people can't stand the taste of apple cider vinegar. It's quite sour. You should make the same drink that I just described earlier, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 glass of water. But now you would use sparkling water and add 10 drops of organic liquid stevia sweetener. It will make your vinegar drink taste like lemonade. And then if you still don't like the taste, there's one more option for you. You can take apple cider vinegar capsules instead. I will leave the link to high-quality apple cider vinegar capsules in the description of this video. So once you start using apple cider vinegar, you will see that your blood glucose will go down. And in case you are a diabetic, you should test your blood sugars regularly. Sometimes your blood sugars can go down to a normal range, and sometimes below normal ranges, in which case you need to adjust your medication, because you never want to take diabetes medication if your blood sugars are normal or too low, because it's gonna make it even lower. So always check with your doctor and let them know that you will start using apple cider vinegar. Your doctor will help you to adjust your medication. So that's how you use apple cider vinegar for diabetes. I hope you found this video useful. And you know what? I have several other YouTube videos where I explain type 2 diabetes, what's causing it, and how to put it into remission with a healthy diet and intermittent fasting. I will leave the links to these videos here in each corner, and also you can find them in the description of this video. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to ask any question in the comments. And also you can join my Facebook group for type 2 diabetics. The link to join is in the description of this video. And also you can support my YouTube channel by buying me a coffee. There's a link down below in the description of this video that you can click on and donate a small amount to keep this channel going and creating educational content that can help millions of people. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.